So I'm out here at a job today in Surry Hills. It's for a Telstra customer. Now they've gone over from ADSL to NBN HFC. Now NBN's cut Telstra cut off their ADSL service. Now they're relying on it because they're a bar. Basically, this is their business, and they've got all their cash machines and everything hooked up to the internet. And it's pretty hard for them to operate without having internet service. So they've called us out today to come and try and work out what's going on. Now, this cable here, the NBN tech's installed it. Basically, it just runs up cable directly through there, and there is the street, right? And he's just put a flexible conduit, and it goes up to the utility box and then connects in to there. Now, so what's happening is it just keeps flashing. Now, if you reset it, right, so I take the power out, and I plug the power back in again, and then give it a few secs. You'll see that the downstream light comes on, the upstream light comes on, but the online light keeps blinking, and then eventually they all go off and they'll start all flashing again. So I'll just give it a sec here just so you can see what's going on. So this is obviously like a programming issue, or it's a faulty connection on the mains cable, or just something dodgy. So you can see now the downstream light is starting to flash. That'll go solid, and the upstream will start to flash. That'll go solid, but the online light, that little sucker will just keep flashing. And then what will happen is they'll all go out and they'll all start to flash again. Now, the customer here, he's been on to NBN or Telstra multiple times, and they're just not making much sense to him exactly what's going on. The tech who installed this wasn't really helpful. Basically, he just plugged it in, wouldn't plug the modem in, and then he just sort of basically said, look, it's not my job to plug your modem in. So I doubt he's even really tested it to see if this was working, because if he did, he would have seen this happening. So I'll just hang on for a couple more seconds just so you can see them all go off. I know this is exciting stuff, but I'll need to get this for the customer because we've got to write up a report. And there you go. So they've all gone out again and they're all flashing. Now they'll just keep flashing like that until you pull the power out. Once you put the power out and then put it back in again, it sort of goes through a reset and they'll all come on, but then they'll all go back to this state here. So Telstra, this is definitely an issue with you guys. It's got nothing to do with this customer here. So you need to get a tech out here ASAP to get this fixed up.